post-match press conference. Congratulations to the PLDT High Speed leaders for beating the Farm Fresh Boxies in 4 sets. You have Coach Ralphie Laporte, Kim Kianati, and Savi De Piso. Coach, congratulations for this victory. So, what can you say about your team's performance after losing the first set? At what yung bawi nyo?
Siguro, in-anticipate lang talaga namin na mahirap yung game. Yun muna yung una. Pangalawa, kung may natutunan kami na lesson dun sa last game namin, yun nga kung paano kami mag-react sa mga pressure situations. So, yun naman yung pinagandaan namin for the whole training. And yun nga, buti naman gumana. At the same time, yung pagpasok ng mga nasa bench, naging crucial para sa amin. So, happy kami na nakuha na.
Thank you so much to Kiana. You had 19.7 attacks, 1 block, 1 service ace, and 6 digs. So, although you know you have an advantage of reaching the qualifying round, of course, there's a possibility of losing this one. So, what's your mindset for the game para makuha niyo itong panalo and to advance to the next stage?
I guess we had the mindset of really winning today because if it was the other way around, we would have had a harder path today kasi yung pool namin mahirap. So, yun yung sinabi rin ng coaches namin na magiging mahirap yung game. So, sino talagang mas gustong manalo, yun yung manalo. Sino makaka-adjust during the game. And, yeah.
And Kiana, Savi 20 points on 7 attacks, 5 blocks, 4 digs, and 11 receptions. So, you lost to Farm Fresh in your first meeting, you were able to bounce back. So, what can you say that you made it through the next round? As what Kiana said, this pool is so hard. About this win, what can you say?
I mean, just like Kiana said, we came in knowing that we had, to really show up today and win this match because another path would have been very difficult, and I feel like the rest is going to allow us to really study whoever we play next in the semis and allow us to rest and kind of recoup to make sure that we're at our potential next time we play.
Right, guys.
Coach, yun nga yung nakatapat niyo, Farm Fresh. 3 straight wins sila to end the prelims. Kumbaga, paano nila lang pinagandaan sila kasi nakukuha na nila yung chemistry nila tsaka yung system ni Coach Cody.
Yun, yung una talagang binigay namin yung respect sa kanila. Kasi, yun nga, may momentum coming sa mga panalo nila. At the same time, kahit nga alam naman namin din yung gagawin nila, nasa side talaga namin yung kailangan mag-adjust dahil yun nga, una galing kami sa talo. So, momentum medyo wala. Tapos yung mga kailangan i-correct from the last game, kailangan talaga ipasok today. Yun lang, talagang mataas yung respect namin kay Farm Fresh with Coach Cody. Kaya hindi talaga pwedeng pasukan ng complacency. Dagdag nga na galing naman kami sa talo.
Coach, sinabi mo kami na mainit yung ulo sa amin.
Okay, mainit.
So, meron bang plano niya?
Di lalo mga ano lang yan, mga minor na kailangan pang trabahuhin. Saka yung mga lapses namin na kailangan pang ayusin. Saka mainit sa press.
For Diana, talk us through lang how you really worked to get your form back. It was showing in gradually throughout the preliminaries, and in a game like today, you really turned it up and showed.
For me personally, I think we had a longer preparation before coming into this tournament, and not just court-wise but also physically. Basically, I couldn't stop rehabbing my knee, so that's one thing that really helped me. And also, nakatulong din yung nag-Japan kami as a team, not just inside the court but also outside. So, magandang pangyayari.
Sabi, obviously the field is getting much tougher. Just talk us through how much more of a challenge and how much more work you had to put in this time, knowing that teams like Farm Fresh and those that may not have been as strong before are pretty much contending now for the titles.
I think it just goes to show how much competition there is here in the Philippines and how much it's growing. With a disbandment of 2 teams, a lot of good athletes didn't really have anywhere to go, so they all kind of flooded into other teams and so on, making them stronger. So, alongside the good athletes, there's portals and stuff that you could study other teams now. So it's by numbers, it's by receive, by serve. We study everything. So it's hard to go up against the team twice, especially Farm Fresh, where they're so tactical and precise about things from Coach Koji. So, it's just kind of in time who can adjust better and who can show up that day and be more consistent.
Yan, ganda ng pinapakita mo this conference, especially you're coming from an injury pa. So, what changed lang this conference and ano yung succeed?
Changed. I guess it's me just getting used to playing again, and matagal na rin yung injury ko, so na-build up ko rin yung confidence ko coming into this tournament.
So, what helped na lang na mag-build yung confidence?
I guess yung support sa team, coaches, and yung supporters namin. Hindi sila, they didn't give up on me. So, yeah.
Coach Ray, si Trisha Tubu medyo wala ng una, pero in the end, ano yung adjustments na ginawa niya to limiting niya kasi parang first 2-3 sets na yung sinaata siya. Tapos 6 na ang rest of the
Actually, hindi na siya yung adjustment eh. Hinaantay lang talaga namin makuha yung pinractice namin. Which is mahirap nga dahil pag siya na yung katapat, marami talagang options. So, ang goal lang talaga i-try i-contain kahit paano, pero mataas pa rin yan, sangkot pa rin yung pinalo niya. Siguro ang nag-work na lang talaga sa amin is malimit yung iba. Tulad ng mga usual na kasama niyang high scoring din. So kung talagang marami siyang napoproduce, at least mo-contain namin yung ibang wingers.
You have something to say, Sabi?
No, I'm saying I adjusted kasi he made me. Pero, I know, she's hard to block, but it's more parang mental effort, seeing, watching, waiting.
Past press conferences dahil yung nasasabi na hindi nyo masyadong pinapansin yung standings or yung mga incentive or advantage. And this time, secured na yung semis. Was there part of you na relief or how will you approach the upcoming months?
Siguro, yun, nasa likod ng utak namin na magiging mahirap talaga. Kasi, una nagulat kami dun sa format na nagkapalit yung inaantay namin. So kung parang magiging do or die today, ang magiging kapalit talaga niya is yung possibility ulit na si Nextlet, which is mas magiging mahirap ulit dahil galing kami sa talo. So talagang wala na kaming ibang tinignan kahit ano yung naging ranking namin, kundi yung today lang talaga na pinaka-importante na giraos. So happy kami sa naging result. Pero regardless sa next round, dahil round robin pa rin yun, marami pa rin pwede mangyari. So, kailangan pa rin talaga trabaho.
Coach, ano na po magiging itsura ng next 2 weeks dahil medyo mahaba pa po yung magiging final nyo dahil mga April 11 po kung sisimulan yung
Yeah, April 11 pa. So, definitely yung pahinga sa 2 days ng Holy Week. 2 days lang talaga yung mabibigay natin. At the same time, yung adjustment namin sa training kasi nag-iiba-iba yung timpla namin knowing na yung mga laro medyo mabilis. Saka yung mga may injury sa amin kailangan trabahuin ulit na mas makabalik. Siguro doon sa vacation, doon sa mga magiging pahinga na weeks namin, kailangan talaga namin may makalaro with kahit isa or dalawa para ma-fill in lang talaga yung katulad ng game time na nakukuha namin. So probably yung mga college. Yeah.
2 days sa pahinga, most probably Monday, Thursday, and Good Friday.
Yes.
For the players, how will you take that whole week break?
Done.
2 days na.
Where can you go in 2 days?
Sleep lang.
Pahinga.
Yeah,
Nasa
pahinga
lunch.
lang. Sa bahay lang.
Congratulations, Coach.
Yay!